There you go. Don't try not to hit the boats. So what we're going to do, we're going to go between the last two boats, and then we're going to turn left and head towards the rock. But stay close to me because there are rocks there, so we have to navigate in between them. But today the tide is quite high, so it's not going to be a big problem. Hero, you good?
Yes, I'm good.
Keep going.
You said to be close to you.
Yes, but
I'm very good.
you're doing good.
Really? Yay!
So now what we're going to do, we're going to race to go in between those two boats.
Fuck that!
The girls got an advantage. But Hero has got an advantage because he's got a racing board, which is slicker the water. You're going to beat even me, for sure.
No! Why are you catching up? No, it's a tie. We have to.
I'm trying not to hit the boat. There you go. Mind the wire here. And try not to hit the boat. Okay, you got it. Yes.
I think it's working, maybe.
Yeah, but you got the cover on.
This one I cover.
Huh?
Like this?
But you got the cover on.
Yes, I know.
Oh yeah, it's not on. Okay.
Yes.
Well, you just have to put it a bit further, but be careful. If you fall, you're gonna get hurt.
Yes, I know.
It's going to slam in your face. Not ideal. What you can do is put it in between the bottles and let him
I
stick.
think it's okay.
You think it's okay?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
As you wish. As you wish. All right, let's go. We've got very nice seas today.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Now Alisha is going to try to stand.
No!
How deep is it here?
Oh!
It's not very deep. It's not very deep.
Oh, like down, under, or on the boat?
On the board. You too.
Me?
Yeah. Hero, you want to stand?
Yeah.
It's more difficult than this one. Be careful. Don't fall. So this way. So to stand. Come next to me, guys. Not too close, because I don't want you bumping into me when you fall.
What I say further?
At least wide.
Go wide.
Wide.
No, go wider.
Wider.
Like this.
Use your body. Rotate your waist. Turn your waist. Rotate your waist.
There you go. She makes a wide turn, but it's okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go to her rather. But be careful. Make sure there are no rocks down here. So if you fall, you don't get hurt. It's fine here in this place. There are some bits of
Stop.
old.
Yeah,
Okay,
stop,
stop.
it's good.
To stop,
Stop,
you just
stop.
move it the other way. Or you hit me like this one did. Turn around.
Again? Oh,
There you go. Yeah, turn it on the other side. Rotate it. Yeah, there you go. Hold on. All right. To stand, you put your hand in front. Release that. Forget about this. Put your hand in front. You put your foot where your knee is, and this side like that, and then you pick it up and you stand.
Hey,
It's easy.